Hello tailors, this is part 2 in which I show the pattern of double seam sleeve. In the first part I showed how to draw a pattern for a jacket, so whoever has not watched the first part I suggest doing it. The first measurement is the half girth of the chest. Divide by 3 and add 2 centimeters. I lay 17 centimeters. Now pat down the sleeve length minus 2 centimeters and we get a rectangle. From the top point I measure the length of the sleeve to the elbow and draw a horizontal line. The next measurement is the height of the sleeve, 3/4 of depth of the armhole plus 2 centimeters, and draw a horizontal line again. To the left I extend the bottom line by 5 centimeters. I extend the elbow line by 3.5 centimeters. I extend the top line by 6 centimeters. I connect these 3 new points. Go to the top of the sleeve. Divide the top line in half. From the line of the head of the sleeve I lay up 5 centimeters and draw an auxiliary line. Now I connect these 2 points with an auxiliary line too. I divide this line in half. Connect this point with a point in the corner. Divide this line into 3 parts. Now we divide this distance in half and connect these points. Divide this line in half and I pat aside 1.5 centimeters up. I extend this line to the right by 2.5 centimeters. From this point I lay down 6.5 centimeters. The next measurement is half wrist circumference plus 4 centimeters. Connecting the top point to the bottom, I extend this line down by 2 centimeters. Draw a bottom line. Through these points, using a round ruler, draw the upper part of the sleeve. Draw a plank. Plank height 12 centimeters, width 3 centimeters. Draw the bottom sleeve. From this point to the right I measure 4.5 centimeters. Along the line of the elbow to the right I lay aside 6 centimeters. Along the bottom line to the right I measure 3.5 centimeters. Connect this point with a vertical line. Postpone all this distance from the first vertical line which we draw at the very beginning. Around the line in the elbow area, extend the vertical line up by 0.5 centimeters. From the point 4.5 centimeters I measure the half girth of the chest, divide by 4 minus 2. From the point 6, I measure the half girth of the chest divided by 4 minus 2.5. Connect this point with a vertical line. The lower point of the lower sleeve, this is the same as on the upper part of the sleeve. Extend the vertical line up to the auxiliary line. Now from this point to the left, I measure 0.5 centimeters and draw a line. Now we divide this distance into 3 parts. Connect these 3 points with a round ruler. Copy the bottom sleeve. Checking the line. The length of the lower sleeve lines must match the length of the upper sleeve lines. Connect control points and check lines. Transfer the horizontal lines of the sleeve to the fabric. These lines will help us when combining the upper sleeve with the lower. Hem allowance 2.5 cm. For other cuts, a seam allowance 1 cm. In the last video, you remember that the length of the shoulder on the back did not match the length of the shoulder on the front. Unseam the basting and let the fabric lie naturally, which means the fabric should lie as it wants. I draw a new shoulder line on the back and on the front. I also slightly adjust the neckline along the back. Add 1 cm seam allowances and cut off the excess. The length of the shoulder is the same on the back and the front. See you in the next part of the video about tailoring a jacket. Bye.